I couldn't believe he was just pulling right through that.
He's been going sideways.
That's awesome. The dead ends? You said there was an alligator over there? Oh, jeez.
Yeah, y'all been to make it.
What was that?
Y'all been to make it.
Yeah.
You gotta watch.
Nate, I'll pull you out.
I made it, y'all make it.
Yeah. Going back a little search. Or,
Do you want to?
yeah.
Y'all probably take it right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nate, I got you. Yeah.
They just saw an alligator. So cool.
That's wild.
I'm jealous. Fuck this tree.
You're right. Hold on, man. Actually, oh, y'all good? Actually, yeah,
Are we all drinking this stuff?
maybe.
Think we should give him a little push?
Yeah, let me see if I can real quick. Oh, they got it. Okay. Whoa, there you go. Back up a little bit. Back up some, and then I'll help push you. All right, there you go.
What are you doing?
They make it to that.
Oh, you go this way. All right, he's good. There it is. Perfect. Hell yeah. Hondas. Look at that. That's freaking awesome. Hell yeah. Look at that. No problem. Shit, that was badass. I couldn't turn. You want my help or not? So you don't want my help? Did they say that alligator was still over there?
I want to see it.
Let's go see if it's over there.
She said it was floating on top. She said that like a deterrent. I was like, I want to see it. Are you kidding me?
No, you mean just keep it strapped up the entire way through? Damn, look at Sergio.
What was that snap though?
I think it was just his door when you closed it. I hope. Did y'all bring bug spray? I forgot to.
In the old razor, there wasn't kind of bug spray.
Oh, the old razor. Another knock against this razor. Y'all want to go see if we can see that alligator?
No.
Let's go. Nice. got it, babe? What the hell's been going through here? See if we can straddle it. Oh, we're about to go in, babe. Hold on. I can't believe they made it back here. That's pretty impressive.
When they said it dead end, I thought it was gonna be like a short little thing.
Yeah, this is a nice.
This is quite a trail.
Yeah, I'm liking this. Do I need to slow down?
Hurry up.
Oh, okay. Alligator. They must have like their nest back here or some shit. I mean, this looks like the perfect spot. This is all marshy right here, right? Okay, keep an eye out because you got the eyes, babe. I really don't want to risk getting stuck around the alligator. Watch it come out. Oh my god. Yes, it is. Take a break? Yeah. All of that. Hey, that's us right there.
I want to see this alligator. Hey.
Yeah. So. Oh.
No, I mean, one of those things that lean, break the leg. It's hot.
Gotcha.
Singeing my leg hair, babe.
Oh, you want to get off? Let's get off.
Watch out my right.
Aye. My bad. Is that the one?
No.
David?
It's time for some service maintenance on it, dude. There's water getting into my snorkel.
Is there? Is that what that is?
Yeah, that's why it was spitting it out and it was dripping.
Oh.
So I don't know if it was condensation from when it, hit the cold and hot.
Yeah.
Or if it actually has a leak.
Gotcha. I bet it's got a leak whenever we're doing the water wheelies trying to.
Snorkels are old, their body degraded.
Yeah. Nate, go find it.
Are you in there? Is that it?
You see it?
Right there. It looks like it.
Oh shit, that sure is it. Hey, here it is.
What?
The gator. Alligator.
Certified gator spotter.
Damn, babe. Look at that. That's freaking awesome. Was it?
You see the little line on the water right there?
That's a fucking gator, right?
He'll watch him. He'll move around.
It's a gator right there. Oh! Oh, you just...
I just stepped on her. I'm gonna stand back.
I don't like gators.
30 miles per
I
hour.
love alligators.
That's top speed on the Honda.
That's so crazy that we saw a freaking gator. That's awesome.
Yeah, are you not proud of me?
Yeah, that's
You
freaking
would've
awesome.
never seen that.
I would have never seen that.
Eagle eye over here.
Oh, eagle eye. might have been a mistake. No! You okay, babe?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you stuck too? Uh-oh, he's stuck also.
Maybe we can wait.
Yeah. What's up? I'm gonna winch out. I'm gonna go to that tree right there.
You want to try it by yourself so you can get out?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're talking about just being by myself?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's too thick, I think, babe.
You got it. What are you going to wait to, babe?
That tree right there. Oh, I guess. Hey, all right. Thank you, Serge. It's a little thick in here. That's good right there. I gotta lock it back in. Thanks, buddy. The other way? The other one? Yeah, it's wired backwards. I'll let go for it, babe. Babe. Hey, Serge! Perfect! Nice, babe!
Girl power.
That was. Woo! Are you stuck right here or are you good?
I should be able to get out.
Okay. 1 second, babe, 1 second. Babe, babe, babe. Pull forward, pull forward. Okay. Okay, let's pull. Yeah, that is ridiculous. I need to repack it, I think.
Do you have the quiet core?
No.
Do they make one for that?
Yeah, but I think it's got all the mud in there, so it's just going straight. Let's get to the dry ground over here.
You need a hammer or something?
Yeah.
Hold up. I might have one. I had one before.
Oh,
For the
okay.
alligator.
For the alligator, damn. Hey, let's get out of this motor quick though.
It's,
Yeah, pull forward with Sergio slowly. Yeah, four. Oh. 1 second, man. was awesome, babe. Thank you. Oh, they were just slinging that shit all over themselves.
Oh.
It's look good. Okay, now it's loose. There we go. Gracias.
Yep.
What? Yeah, I lost it a while back. Thank y'all. That was perfectly done. Oh!
Not even think about it.
I'm gonna put on this razor. I'm just trying to make it look a little better. See? Just gotta fill it in.
Now it's worth millions.
No, it's worth millions.
You look good doing it like a pro.
Oh my god.
I felt goofy, so I'm glad I looked good. We're so cute with our Hawaiian friends going on.
Right? See what you got.